Because a non-productive man, I don't care how handsome you look, you become ugly to your mate.
Yes, sir.
Listen now. That's your nature. What is her nature? In the Bible, God says he created the woman from the man to be the help meet. Not M-E-A-T. But the M-E-E-T. Yeah, what that mean? Help me. Help me. It means that God has given man a duty, a responsibility to become a producer. You don't produce without help, and you can't find a better helper to do anything in this world than a woman who believes in her man. Now, what did God put in you? See, your nature is to nurture, and your nature is to comfort and console. So the Quran says, in the woman, he should find peace and quiet of mind. Not quiet of body, but quiet of mind. How do you rest his mind, sister? When that man is productive when he comes home, he needs to rest and draw strength again to go back and produce some more. So God gives him a woman who knows how to comfort and console, and look, not only knows how, happy to do it because he's so productive. Here comes that man of mine. Here he comes. Get it all ready for him because he's coming on home. Wait a minute, children. I got to get pretty for my man. He's coming home. She ain't coming to the door looking like the wreck of the Hesperus. She get herself together, perfume herself. When he gets up to the gate, he can smell the biscuits in the oven. You say, wait a minute. I'm a professional woman. And you're a failure. Don't tell me nothing about your profession. You're a failure if you can't keep a man. No profession can make you happy. No profession. Call yourself whatever the hell you want to. If there ain't a man in your life to make you happy, your profession can never do for you what God made man to do for you.